Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a K-series new type to the old 22mm Karcher screw fitting type. So what you do is plug this into your pressure washer itself, and you would then be able to screw your 22mm Karcher screw fitting hoses directly straight onto it. So it makes it so it's a quick release converter. So it means all your old hoses with 22mm screw fitting on would screw onto this end here. We then plug this into the pressure washer side. Now you've got to be careful on some of it, because reason being some of them got quick release in the back that's on a hose reel system. Make sure that this will plug in at that point. This is mainly for the Karcher K2, 3s and 4s and some of the 5s. Some of the 6s and 7s might be a bit awkward to get your screw fitting onto the system itself. This is for the machine side, not for the gun. Only the guns this will fit is the smaller, shallower fitting on the gun itself, where they're literally quick release. If you've got a deep quick release, then that will not attach inside it. You would then just clip this directly, so you've got your two flat sides. Make sure you line your flat sides up to the flat sides on the quick release of the machine itself. Obviously this doesn't come with the machine itself with this setup, but you'd find one of these quick releases of this type or the newer type that's got the two flat sides. Make sure you line them together. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.